Wireless mobility is no longer a luxury for the few, now it's for everyone. When we decided to create our new wireless headset, we set ourselves a major challenge. It should be as simple and functional as a paperclip and affordable so everyone in the office could have one. This is the result. The first thing we did was focus on the basic headset functionalities and improve them. We also put in a user interface with large intuitive buttons. Call handling has never been so easy. And then we threw away the manual. Setting up the headset is simple and straightforward. And if you want to personalize any settings, voice prompts will guide you. Great sound is essential, so we packed the Jabra Pro 900 series with proven Jabra audio technology. Finally, we priced it at a really affordable level. So now everyone can talk wireless.